Hi, thanks for checking out this demo of the Graphla data visualization software. My name is Tom Wall, and I created Graphla with the idea in mind of making data visualization so simple that the process actually becomes fun, and hopefully you gain insights a lot faster from exploring your data. In this video, I'm just going to do a general overview of using Graphla. This isn't meant to be a set of tutorials on each of the graph options that you can build. I'll have separate videos for those, so this is just meant to be kind of a high-level view of using Graphla. So for starters, here I am. I'm on the home page, graphla.com, and to launch the application, you just want to go to the top right-hand section here where it says Beta. This is the link to the beta site that I currently have up and running. So for starters, Graphla runs entirely in your web browser. This isn't software that needs to be installed. It doesn't require any special plugins. You won't get any pop-ups about having to install Java or Flash or some other thing to make this work. This works on any modern web browser. The second thing is I wanted a tool that would allow me to just copy and paste data directly from a spreadsheet such as Microsoft Excel, and that's what Graphla does. So I'm just going to start here. I'm going to go into an example, and I have a set of data here, and I'm just going to copy it and then come into my back to the site here and paste it in. So when I did that, the data was automatically recognized by the software. It knows what the columns are. And so now at this point, I'm ready to begin playing around. Each of the visualizations up here, and now at the time of this is the beta release, and I just have these 6 different types of graphs. Over time, I plan on adding more features. So for now, I'll just kind of walk through creating a graph here. So I'm just selecting the data inputs and putting them into this this dimension input area here, and I'm getting the graph to build. And as I select more data into it, I get additional features added to the graph. Now, as is often the case, you can usually look at a given data set in multiple ways, and this is where the fun of playing with Graphla comes in. So I'm just going to start taking the same data points and trying some different things with the tool. And so here I am, I'm drawing a scatter plot chart of the data, and as I hover over the points here, I can see what they are. So that right there just kind of gives you an idea of where I'm coming from with this tool. Now, in addition to data that you have in spreadsheets, sometimes the data you want to visualize isn't just a set of numbers in a spreadsheet. Oftentimes you can also look at text. So here's an article that I have from the New York Times website, and I'm just going to copy that text and come back into Graphla here. And paste that data in, and I'm going to build a word cloud with that data. So there. So hopefully that kind of gives you an overview of what Graphla is about. One thing I'll point out, if you want to save the visualizations that you build, there's this option down here to export graphs, and you can export the graph as an image file, or if you're building content for a website, you can also generate the HTML code for the graph that you just created. So yeah, so that's Graphla in a nutshell. Like I said, this current version is a beta release, and over time I hope to add new features to the tool. So if you're interested in the project, check out the homepage. I have links down here at the bottom where I have more information about the project. There's a YouTube channel and a Twitter account where I'll be posting updates. So come and check out the site, check out the channel, follow me on Twitter, and follow the project. And thanks for watching, and have fun exploring your data.